Your services, how are you doing today?
I'm doing good. How are you?
It's about life insurance. Do you have life insurance coverage?
I don't. I would like some. Uh,
Okay. Let's give you some options. How old are you? What's your age?
I am 60, young,
Oh, okay, yes, you are. And how do you pronounce your first and last name?
Clarion, Serenity,
Marian, can you spell the last name?
Serenity, Serenity.
Thank you. Marian, what state are you in?
Marion, Georgia.
Thank you. That was all information required. Do you have any major medical concerns like cancer, congestive heart failure, Alzheimer's, or dementia?
Hard nipples, but that's between me and you.
Okay. And you're the lady of the house. You can make your decisions by yourself.
I do. I make all the decisions.
Okay. Now, just a yes or no verification, ma'am. In case if you decide to go with the policy to pay monthly premiums, you can use a valid bank account as a check-in or savings, correct?
I can, yeah, pretty baby.
Give me 5 seconds so we can tell you some prices. Hope we do have some time, okay?
Hurry up, baby.
Okay. And Marian, how's the weather out there in Georgia?
It's a little chilly. It's making my nipples even harder.
Okay.
Good morning, Vinyl Expense Direct. This is John Lewis, who I have the pleasure of speaking with today.
Marion
Hello,
Serenity.
I have Marian on the line. Marian, thank you.
Good morning to you, Miss Marion. How are you today?
Hey, big boy John. I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing excellent. Thank you for asking.
Yeah.
Well, first of all, I want to thank you very much for responding to our advertisement.
Yeah.
And my name is John Lewis again. Please feel free to call me John, by the way.
Can I call you Big Bad John?
Well, that makes my day. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Well, first of all, the reason your call came in to me is because I am the senior underwriter for the state of Tennessee.
Yeah.
Basically, what that means to you is I am the decision maker who determines if you qualify, which is very simple. I qualify
Yeah.
right over the phone, so I'll be able to give you a free quote here in just a second.
Okay, be quick because I've got to go back to the street.
Uh-oh, are you at work?
I'm at work. Yeah, on the street. Yeah, it's okay though.
Oh, okay. I didn't know. What time you get off?
Anytime. I mean, I set my own hours because I'm a private dancer. Off, but I don't have a client till about 30 minutes.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, let's get to this then. All right.
Yeah.
Now, are you just needing quotes just for yourself?
Just myself only, because for life insurance purposes, I will probably give it to a cousin or something. I'm pretty worried about doing that because I don't get paid the big bucks every time we fling.
I see so many folks, pass away, God forbid, without insurance. And then the family and the children are trying to scrape money to bury a loved one, and it's embarrassing because burials are so expensive. $8,000 to $10,000 to bury.
Oh my gosh, John, you are correct.
What's your current age, Mary?
I'm 60, young.
60.
Yeah.
All right, excellent.
My target age for the street is about 45 and up. Saying my target age when I'm on the street is about 45 years and up. That's who I target for sexual pleasures.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
Unbelievable.
Are you ever in...
That is amazing.
Are you ever in Marion, Georgia?
No, this is our corporate office here in Houston, Texas.
Okay, so I probably won't ever run into you, Big John.
Well, who knows? I do a lot of moving around. Well, since this virus is pandemic.
Exactly.
Much on freeze.
The virus really hurt my revenue because people weren't walking on the street for a while, and I lost a lot of money because of that. But I got a little tighter, so we're good there.
I can imagine. Wow, wow. Well, did you have any health issues like heart attacks, strokes,
I have
cancer,
never
diabetes?
experienced any of that, but I do have a condition. It's kind of personal, but my nipples are hard all the time.
Okay. Is there any medication that they're giving you for that?
It's kind of the same medicine they give men to get their erection down after 4 hours.
Wow.
I take it myself.
Well,
I take it myself.
well, that sounds exciting.
It's different, I tell you that. It's hard to poke a needle there, but it's okay.
Wow. Well, so I imagine a tank top on and your shirt getting wet one day. Boy, that would be exciting.
It would. That's see, and I charge only 25 for that.
Oh, wow. Unbelievable. Well, based on your information you're giving me, you're in the best, about the best health. You're in the best health of the folks I've talked to in a long time.
I appreciate that. I try.
Wow.
I think that's how I stay so young to be 60. I still wear a size 4 pants.
Oh, yeah, you're in great shape. Size
Yep.
4. Wow.
Yep.
Well, these plans start as low as $1.50 to $2 a day, around $35, $40 a month. Is something like that in your budget?
About 40 is my max budget, but in the summertime I could probably make it up to about 100.
Let's look here and just see. And you're currently just 60, right?
I'm only 60.
Oh, you're a smoker or non-smoker?
I only smoke during lovemaking.
Okay, gotcha.
It just calms my
Your
nerves.
parents state you're in. Gotcha. I'm a smoker too, so I ain't gonna say nothing bad about it.
I thank you.
And you reside in Tennessee right now?
Yeah, Mary in Georgia.
Oh, you're in Georgia. They got Tennessee on there. I'm sorry. Okay.
I was in Tennessee, but the business wasn't as good.
$1,000 policy with the. Have you been hospitalized for anything in the last year?
No, I have not. I did fall off the pole once, but I was okay.
Oh, right, no big deal.
Yeah.
And this company, their rates are locked in rates. They never change. They never go up. And it's only $39.19 a month.
Oh my gosh. Will they? I know this is real personal, but will they insure prostitutes?
Yeah, that's not a question on the application at all.
Wow, well, that's good.
Definitely can't judge you. They can't judge you for what your employment is.
Well, I'm happy because Kamala Harris, she's about to make prostitution legal.
Wow.
Yep.
Well, you
Mister.
definitely would qualify. The only thing here, the most important thing here is all the top companies do their billing through the banks and credit unions, and they allow you to set your payment up on the day that works for you.
I have a debit card. I have a debit card, and I go to the Citibank.
Oh, so the name of your bank is Citibank?
Yes, sometimes I do. I do fuck on credit, so that's they PayPal me on my credit card. Believe it or not.
Okay. Yeah, as of the first of the year, they stopped taking debit cards, but you do have a actual local bank that you go in that you deal with. So yeah, that would work. And
Yep.
you can set the payment on whatever day works for you. It doesn't cost you any money today for me to get you approved. I get you approved right over the phone with the insurance company, Liberty Bankers. You'll get your policy in 5 to 7 days. You can set your money.
Oh my goodness! Thank you, Big Bad John.
I will be your agent. Are you in there, pen and paper?
I do. Hold on just a sec. I got a dollar bill. Hold on, I can write on it from last night. What you got?
Okay, of course, you got my name, John Lewis.
It's John, Big Bad John. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am. Toll-free number is 800.
800.
538.
538.
3610.
3610.
Extension 2.
2. Oh, number 2.
Great. And the name of the insurance company that is going to insure you is called Liberty Bankers Insurance. Liberty Bankers.
Liberty Mutual. Okay. I love their commercials. I love their commercials.
This is a very simple process here.
I don't have good days all the time, Big John. I'm sorry. But I can,
Give it to God, love. You can't go wrong with that. Give it to God.
I'll try that. I think he's disowned me because of my actions.
He's not there. He's watching over you. Trust me. That's who wakes you up every day.
Okay, that's been a great pep talk, John.
It's not that alarm clock that's waking you up. I can promise you that.
I've never thought about it that way, but that is do I need to owe you for the being my therapist?
Well, thank you very much. That's all right. That's not a problem. I'll be your agent for life.
Thank
Now,
you.
Marion, this is going to be a legal document. How you want your full name on the policy? Is your first name spelled Marion?
You got it, Marion, yeah. And you need my middle name?
Yes. Or initial.
P, like Petunia.
Okay. And last name?
Serenity.
Spell it for me.
Serenity.
Sereni. Serenity.
Yeah.
Oh, there it is. Okay.
Yeah.
And your date of birth?
It is 10/13/1960.
All right. And your height and weight?
I am 5'5", 121 pounds with double D's.
Excellent. Were you born in the state of Tennessee?
I was born in Tennessee.
Okay. And do you have a primary doctor or clinic you go to?
I do not. I try to stay away. I don't even get pap smears anymore.
Okay. What's the name of the nearest hospital or clinic you would go to in the event of emergency?
Love Health on 13 Boulevard,
What city is that located in?
Marion, Georgia.
In Marion. Okay. There it is. I got it there. And the mailing address you want your policy to be mailed to?
Well, I live on the street. There's a few apartment buildings that people let me stay. It's apartment 13 in Marion,
What's
Georgia.
the physical address?
33. You there?
33.
Cove, Cove, Grove, Grove, Lane.
And you said it was apartment number
Apartment 31.
1, and that's in Marion.
It is.
And you know that zip? No, I do not.
30753.
30753. Okay. Now, most important part of your policy, who you want to list as your beneficiaries. Now, you can choose primary and a secondary. I know you mentioned earlier maybe your cousin or...
It is going to be my first cousin. My first cousin,
First name?
Dixon.
Dixon?
Dickson.
Oh, Dixon, I'm sorry. That's the first name?
That's the first name.
Okay, Dixon. And last name?
Enme.
How do you spell it?
INMEH.
Now, if something happens to Dixon before you, or if something happened to both of y'all, who you want secondary?
Secondary will be my sister,
Okay, first name?
Priscilla.
Is that Percilla?
Yes, you got it. How'd you do that?
All right. And the same last name?
No, she's married.
And what's your last name?
Johnson.
And that's sister, okay. Now,
She's an old bitch.
I understand.
Yeah. Next question. I'm almost got my next client is coming.
How long would you, because we can complete your application. Once
Five or
it's
10,
done.
5 minutes.
Okay, all right, let me save this part. Okay, you can be reached back at 731-423-4946.
That's it.
Okay, and you also got my 800 number right there as well.
800-538-3610 extension number 2 ho.
Right. You wanna be on the safe side and make it about 15 minutes to be on the safe side?
When you call me back?
Right.
Sure.
Or I mean, is that'll be good enough time for you?
Well, I don't know what he's going to want. It's either going to be $20 or $60. That's 15 minutes or 30
No,
minutes.
I'm talking about okay, so what do you prefer? For me to call you back to complete your application?
Oh, when? You can call me back in 30 minutes.
About 30 minutes, okay. All right. So if you finish before I've called you back, you can call me as well. But other than that, I'll call you back in about 30 minutes.
Thanks, big boy.
Okay, no problem.
All right. I love you.